The purpose of refurbishment is to minimize the environmental impact and upgrading the performance of an existing building to meet new requirements. In this video, I choose Kuala Pilah District Council as my case study. Let's start it. Kuala Pilah District Council or MDKP was known as Kuala Pilah Town Council or MDKP was established in February 1957. The building is located at Jalan Pepatih, Kuala Pilah, Negeri Sembilan. It was categorized as a city council along with small towns such as Rompin, Kampung Tengah, Tanjung Ipoh, Juaseh, Batu Kikir and Seri Menanti. The building area was 5,866 square feet during the first phase before it was refurbished. It originally served a small office that shared with other sections such as engineering and evaluation section, administrative and service counter. As time goes by, the building was equipped with multi-purpose hall, meeting room, surau and proper service counter during the second phase. The refurbishment work was running based on the phase that has been set up, and the latest refurbishment work was done on August 2020. This project was adopted by Public Works Department, PWD Kuala Pilah. The type of refurbishment work in this building is major refurbishment. There were several parts of the building that have been refurbished, this including the interior and exterior part of the building. So now let me start with the exterior part. At the front of the building, as you can see, the window and the roof were demolished and some parts were added with the new materials such as aluminium composite panel to make it look more modern. Not only that, on the right part, which is entrance, also shows that the wall has been extended and shaped as it required design to make it wider. For the rear part, the roof was exchanged from pitched roof to flat roof on the center and both left and right side for the aesthetic purpose. As I told just now, which the building was refurbished during the second phase to equip with multi-purpose hall in ground floor and meeting room, surau and toilet on the first floor. This refurbishment that I mean is at the rear part, which you can see on this floor plan with the red line at the back. Now we go through to the interior part. In the ground floor, there were several rooms at front, right and center part of the building were demolished to make the space wider, and some elements were added such as staircase, new floor and wall. For the first floor, not much things were modified, just a few rooms to make the space wider. The aim of the refurbishment works in Kuala Pilah District Council is to increase the occupant or office workers' comfort, upgrading the function of certain areas in the building, rebranding the building facade and appearance, and redesign the existing structure. To achieve all the aim as stated, there were some stages of refurbishment works involved. First is building investigation. Since the building is a government office building, the project is carried out by the Public Office Department PWD Kuala Pilah to conduct the project. Firstly, the surveyor will obtain sufficient information about the building condition. The process includes examination and observation of the exterior and interior of building and identify of defects in existing building. Then, they will conduct a brief session and recommend appropriate course of action that can be implemented. In this step, they will identify the types of building system by providing evidence of material deterioration from weathering and identifying combination of movement, defects, deterioration and load effects. The next stage is recommendation for refurbishment. PWD with collaboration of Engineering Department of Kuala Pilah District Council will produce an outline scheme design. The team will carry out with recommendation and method works for refurbishment within consideration during the building investigation steps. They also will identify the minimal repair to enable the building to be fit for its purpose of use. And for the last stage is construction. The final steps require the Public Works Department PWD Kuala Pilah to begin the construction of refurbishment according to the decision from the Engineering Department of Kuala Pilah District Council. In this stage, good management and supervision are in need to make sure the process runs smoothly. I think that's all for me. Thank you for lending me your ears and spend your 5 minutes to watch my video. I hope you guys enjoy it.